Hey, my name is Nick Dominato. I'm the CEO of AutoBolt, the leading glass part matching service in the auto glass industry. You know, glass companies in the auto glass industry have had a problem for a really long time, which is that it's extremely difficult to figure out what is the right windshield that I need to replace for the car. There might be 5, 6, 7, or even 20 options for glass for a given vehicle. What our service does is it makes it super simple for a glass shop to just take a VIN number, plug it into our service, and get back all the information they need to figure out what windshield that is. So we'll return back the aftermarket part number, the OEM part numbers, if there's a calibration required, and all the different features and interchangeable parts. So as a glass shop owner or as a CSR, it makes my process go from about 5 minutes figuring out what kind of windshield that is, whether it's talking to the customer, all the way down to 5 seconds. No more calling the dealership and waiting on hold for 20 minutes. No more guessing and ordering the wrong part or ordering 3 parts and returning 2. We make your life as simple as possible. We're a super simple product. And enter the VIN number in, get back the part, and that's what we do.